dorsiflexion compression test. Again, this is a somewhat new test for me, so I'm going to need a reader. So as she dorsiflexion compression test. Okay. Got it? All right. So I am going to be her puppet. This should be fun. All faith.
Can I start?
Yeah.
Read everything.
Yeah.
In standing, the patient assumes a lunge position and moves into dorsiflexion.
So this would be the pathological. So we're calling left pathological. She moves into a lunge.
The movement is repeated with the therapist applying compression to the two malleoli.
Therapist. Alveoli. All right, so it's basically a squeeze technique here. So going back to neutral. All right, so I'm going to go lunge. As she comes back in the lunge and dorsiflex, I squeeze tibia and fibula. Agreed? Continue.
The test is positive for syndesmotic injury if this application of compression force decreases the pain experienced or increases the range of motion available.
So let's work through that from an anatomical standpoint. In the lunge, she's going to go, ow, 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 ow. Why? What is happening with the talus in relation to the syndesmotic? Jam it, right? Now, if I come like this and I squeeze here, what am I actually doing to the syndesmotic? And I'm kind of opening it a little bit, right? So that takes pressure off of it in theory. So what should her pain level then do? It should decrease. So this is the one where a decrease in pain and symptoms is actually the positive test. Does that make sense? It's sort of a backwards one. So this is, do it. Make sense? So that is the dorsiflexion compression test. So you can see we have a lot of tests for syndesmotic. And as we get moving in our special tests, if we have 5 or 6 tests for basically one condition, what does that tell you about all the tests? Okay. It's not that they suck, but we don't have the golden bullet here, right? We don't have the boom, it's a Lockman's, we know this is for whatever, okay? So you kind of have to use in combination. So if I'm thinking syndesmotic, I may use 2 or 3 special tests to confirm. And that's when you pull out your data, and we look at sensitivity and specificity, and our liquid ratios, and see which ones are going to be the best ones to use. Question? Yeah.
So it says if it's positive, the pain will decrease or increase the range of motion.
That's basically because as I do this, it doesn't hurt her, so she can just kind of keep going. Because I'm opening up that gap in the mortise more, so she can keep lunging forward. That sort of makes sense? All right, so that's the dorsiflexion compression. What's next on my sheet? I forgot what.